The clone stamp tool, accessible via the S keyboard shortcut, allows you to replicate a specific area of a photograph and replace it elsewhere within the image. In this example, to clone an area, I hold down the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a PC to select the desired spot. Clicking creates a circle indicating the brush size, which can be adjusted using the square brackets. Moving the cursor to the target area, I then proceed to brush in and clone the texture from the original section into the new location.
This tool is commonly used to remove unwanted elements from photos or seamlessly extend textures like grass to smoothen out an image. When using the clone stamp tool, it's crucial to avoid creating noticeable repetitive patterns in your photographs. To prevent this, ensure you clone from various areas to diversify your textures and maintain a natural look.
The clone stamp tool is a powerful feature in Photoshop that I utilize regularly. Particularly when enhancing photos taken with a camera phone, the clone stamp tool proves to be one of the most frequently used tools in the editing process to refine and improve image quality.